200. Did I hit it?
Not one.
I mean my phone.
Oh, you're going for 200?
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking at the 100 target.